Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101. We all know how important sleep is, but did you know that there are simple tweaks you can make to truly biohack your sleep? In today's video, we're diving into scientifically backed tips to help you get the best rest of your life. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Start by dialing down the temperature. Experts suggest keeping your room between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit helps your body reach that ideal sleep state. It's also crucial to block out any light, whether it's from street lamps or electronic devices. Consider blackout curtains or an eye mask to create a pitch black room. And don't forget about noise. White noise machines or earplugs can help drown out any disruptions, giving you a consistent, undisturbed sleep. Now let's move on to diet. What you eat and drink plays a massive role in your sleep quality. First, try to avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. They can make it hard to fall asleep. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're feeling peckish. But what should you avoid? Caffeine and alcohol are the usual suspects. Caffeine can keep you wired for hours, so try to cut it off by mid-afternoon. And while alcohol might make you sleepy initially, it disrupts your sleep cycles later in the night. On the flip side, what can help? Foods rich in magnesium, like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, can promote relaxation. Chamomile tea is another great option to wind down before bed. Let's talk about routines now. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine sends signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Start by setting a regular bedtime and wake-up time even on weekends. This consistency helps regulate your internal clock. But what should your routine include? About an hour before bed, start a winding down process. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises like deep breathing or meditation. Another key factor is light exposure. Your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, is influenced by light. In the morning, make sure to get plenty of natural sunlight to help wake up your system. On the flip side, avoid blue light from screens in the evening. It can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Here's a tip: consider using blue light blocking glasses or apps that filter blue light on your devices if you need to be on screens before bed. So there you have it. By optimizing your sleep environment, watching what you eat and drink, establishing a bedtime routine, and managing your light exposure, you can truly biohack your sleep for better rest. Give these tips a try, and you might just find yourself waking up more refreshed than ever. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Options 101, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.